This is my origin story. I was born in Kansas City, Missouri, in a home where I was treated very poorly. So when I was old enough, I ran away. I slept in alleys, next to dumpsters, and ate scraps from behind restaurants. One day, while looking for scraps behind a restaurant, the manager of a hair salon next door saw me and called me over. She was very kind and really seemed to want to help. She helped me get into a local shelter and gave me a job sweeping up after business hours. It had been nearly a year since I left home, and I saved enough money to get an apartment so I could go to cosmetology school to get my license to style hair and makeup. Mrs. Lewis was impressed with how good I was getting at doing nails and makeup and said she would pay for school if I agreed to work 2 years for her after graduation. I quickly agreed. But one night I came home late from work and the television was still on, and there was an alert with my picture, claiming I was wanted for questioning for the murder of my parents, and I was armed and dangerous. I decided to turn myself in because I didn't want Miss Lewis to get into trouble, so I left. As I stepped off the curb, a car pulled up very quickly, and 2 men jumped out, grabbed me, covered my mouth with something that knocked me out, and put me in the trunk. I woke up a few hours later laying in a lane of a road in the middle of nowhere. Now it looked like someone wanted me dead too. That's the end of part 1.